stage and tell me bounty killer something, mama. He get be a gunshot and put this on the internet, make the commissioner see it too.
Yeah.
So he make sure, no make no boy ramp with Miss Ivy in her grave.
Yeah.
You mad any man tell me about Miss Ivy, you have to go lay down with her too.
Bounty killer, you pussy till the day you die. You can't be friends with Matterhorn because you're pussy. Me call a spade, you know. Bounty killer always my DJ, but you are a pussy. How dare you come out of your dirty stinking mouth and have a talk about some boy chew your ear, an artist say something. You say
it goes so.
It coming from the arse's mouth, but the arse never tell you when him yam some shit over there, so. You know, understand? Pink Friday, look on this. People hear something from the arse's mouth. No, I'm going to give you an example. You say, oh, well, I hear it from the arse's mouth. But the arse don't tell you, say, him go over there so and grazing on the grass and yam some shit while him and yam the grass. Him never tell us, just like what Bounty Killer did. And me have to straighten up that, so history don't rub out. Remember Bounty Killer do a fucking interview. I'm say, pussy, what you do? Me not say nothing to him, but when me really look into it, I say, what a boom buckler idiot boy you do? What a pussy boy you do? Style him now, you know. Because you want to rewrite a history. When you go do an interview with a blood clot, brother, you know how long the brother they try to get an interview with me? And can't blood clot interview.
How will me do the interview with?
One brother will interview a bag of them. But you know me faced it.
You know a man name that's not. Let's call him man name, brother. You stay somewhere?
I don't remember the guy name.
Oh.
But where I look
Naro, over Naro, and a Naro.
Academics are way more name. Pandemic
academic. Academic.
Oh, no, the guy. But me have a bone for pick with him too. That's why I'm not
DJ Academic, but them man they different, bro. But them man they make.
Yeah, listen me. I now give the guy no interview, and he will never get a blood clot interview from Matterhorn. You know why? You see, you as an interviewer will know the history. You hear somebody attack. When you hear Bounty Killer talk shit out of his mouth, you should have said, Bounty. But I thought Matterhorn. You should have mentioned my name.
But if him know, but you feel like him know the history. Me not think academics know the history. Alright, hold on a matter. If we don't know, we can't say him know, you know. We just we assume.
Well, listen to me. If me tell Bounty cause suck him girl, me tell academics cause suck out your girl too.
No, but me I say we assume academics never. Well, I know him there in a college when you are locked down Brooklyn and them place there.
Listen, the fuck I know the history. Don't
him
stop.
No know, imagine. Me not pick up him. Alright, me not rate him.
Academics. Got academic in your blood clot, mother. When you see that, you should have stopped him then and there because you know say that, or you should have edited out that part. Do not fuck it with our history. If Bounty Killer pussy and want to fuckery with the history, you as a person will go preserve our history. You see say a fuckery man do not send out that. When the blood clot tell me, and Bounty Killer you pussy till the day you die. You can't be friends with Matterhorn because you're pussy. Me call a spade, you know. Bounty Killer always my DJ, but you are a pussy. How dare you come out of your dirty stinking mouth and have a talk about some boy talk about them to the most for my career. A Sky Juice to the most. Sky Juice write the blood clot song them. A Sky Juice play all over the world and play them. And it was it Sky Juice or Matterhorn. No Matterhorn I play the blood clot exclusive killer them. No Matterhorn I mash up the place. No Matterhorn I sell the tune them. No Matterhorn I make you make millions. So the blood clot you come talk about Sky Juice to the most of your career. Sky Juice, but it did the most of your career. I did the most of your career. And you go up on a public platform with and go chat them shit there. So some little youth wanna know the truth now.
I gotta run with that.
You will make them run with that, say, oh. That's factual. Bounty Killer, you're pussy for that. You're not supposed to do that.
Really, whose song Sky Juice was dub for dub and that was it.
Yeah, you bust. Sky Juice bust dub for
Dub
dub.
for dub. Yeah, that was it.
One bust your dub for dub.
Yeah,
I
dub
me
for dub.
write war. I me write more girl. I me write so never dead. The amount of blood clot it song when me write here. Bitch. When make you make millions up to this day, you still have make blood clot dub plate money. And you have a company platform. Some selector boy, you talk about them to the most secular. As Sky Juice to the most batty boy. How you fi do that? How you fi say that? When the history of Bounty Killer, remember in that blood clot laptop, and this is not even a full laptop. The history of the fully loaded them and all of these things, all of the world clash them, all of the work them.
Big Friday, I get the mix, man. Just relax them, man. Me a matter of thought after the year. We can't tell no how we're gonna do the mix of a surprise.
All of the work, Zan, all of the work that we put in together. This pussy in a one interview would have tried belittle what Matterhorn did for decades.
True.
What you tell me say? Pussy until you're dead. I remember me not do this shit.
No, that is time they are not talk about no royalty or road the artists. People don't understand.
Dirty, I would just say royalty. Dirty
No, don't be the people and then just ask a question. They ask if
we are come tell me about royalties. Youth, we are talk about royalty. Wait. Me write the song them because me love my DJ and me make sure them not get above him.
they might do a documentary, man.
Me put in the work. Me see Beanie have killer kill him like a drunk rock. Cause Beanie goes and jump in a killer style and a beat killer in a style. And go so. And say, I am the defender of the Apache, Katina the Rider, and one bag of some memories don't live like people do. And I say, oh Beanie go on so. And I take blood clot 15 minutes. I take fucking 15 minutes. I say, war, how type of thing that one break. A shot with him, and then there is nobody in the world to accept him. So me have to kill him, and then say, gunshot about
Fight underneath, boys. Yeah.
Mommy blood clot write every word of that pussy clot. And change it. That song changed Killer life. Because that song changed.
No, you have to, when you're going a killer, enough people don't know how right song for killer, you know, bro. Me can't name 3 man where it's like them going a killer personality and magic one of them. It's like you know how the man I go walk, how him I go talk, when him I go do that song, how him I go behave. You see me? When you, yeah, man.
Virgin, me know.
That was the artworks. Somebody said artworks, huh? Artworks, huh?
Artworks. And then
Artworks,
look on this. So me sing, so now go dead and the word me I tell. And me write that, you know. And me write every word of that, you know. And those are 2 of your biggest songs. Not only your big songs, them. And me write more, girl, you know. Only know that?
No, me know about the 2 first, I never know about more, girl.
When this boy you ever come talk about Sky Juice to the most of your blood clot career? Sky Juice song go play, talk about dub for dub. How you go play your career all over the world? Me go more countries than Bounty Killer, you know. Bounty Killer never half of the countries that me go in my life, you know. And you, I go come on an interview and talk about nothing hurt me in a blood clot dancehall. Nothing. The only thing ever hurt me in a dancehall was that, you know.
No, I hope, no, I understand. No.
When me say me and Firelinks blood clot bus cartel, remember up to this day some pussy on the internet we say, Ray. But me just tell them, say, any day on the year Vice Cartel come out a film mouth and say, I know we do it.
Them time down the can shut.
Then, till then, wanna shut the fuck up. You notice Cartel, him just sit back.
Well, modern day. So Dirty Wine did really right for Killer?
What I mean if Dirty Wine did right for Killer? Well, I'm soon get to that. Let me tell you something. You see the same internet where no found no know. The history is on the internet. Because we not talk about Scratchy B, them cassette bus cartel. That no blood clot bus cartel is after Vibes Cartel bus. Scratchy B get a little hype. You can't tell me nothing. Scratchy B never not playing on a bum buck like that. So you go sit down, man. Cartel cassette used to play in some little bus and some little school people.
No, it was the P6 them. It never ended up on a town route, brother. Remember, say we have a route in it.
Some little fucking country bus we have a Spanish town and
Yeah, remember, man, that available. That available. Remember, I went to Portmore and town school.
Remember, him been a plane at the bus them. So when him come a fully loaded, him never get no forward. If him the bus. When I move on a blood clot. Him never bus. Until we play him on the Great Adventures, the Dillanos Revenge them, the Uptown Party them. Until you play upon them, they blood clot bus. So they sit down.
That's true.
What you know about bus? Two little Portmore people here in on a bus. You mean him there on a bus?
No, at the time, but remember said that the time, man, that does come in, that are the new era of CD. You actually are trying telling people, say, me I play this man from him that go a vinyl.
But guess what? Him no bus. Not two little, you're there, not two little bus, two little frownsy girl. I get feet up in the bus. And them a play. That mean your bus? Or you have a bus and nobody don't know you. Go sit down. We are chat about. Remember when Bounty Killer get Cartel the mic the first time, you never get the forward. The people don't know who he is. We are chat about. Then what do you see if Killer post that on him page? Go on chat. When Buju grab with the mic from Cartel, nobody don't know who Cartel is. Go on chat about. So you for boss.
Him be still under the moniker at the Bantan them time because that's what they start the whole thing with him and Buju.
Two of you look a friend them made ball forward for an artist song that make an artist boss. You move on a pussy clock and go. Who not chat to? You can't bust in a dancehall without magic in a 19. From 95 to 2000 and you cannot bust without we. And we run dancehall, not uno. We. I know you are playing on that, so you can't bust if we not play. If Stone of now blood clot play, you can't bust. No, me no boy tell you that. Me no business who I make no mixtape. Scratchy B them never bust in a dancehall. After Cartel bust, Scratchy B come get two little dance. Why not chat boy? Why not chat boy? Why not chat boy?
Reality speaking, man, but at the CMCD them, and I remember after that again, you talk about CMU, so.
It's after the man bust, Scratchy B them have a whole heap of dub plate, so them just put out a bag of mix, and them get bust. In bust, and then Cash Money bust. Cash Money, anybody know Cash Money from anywhere? Cash Money ever play a mobile? Cash Money ever play anywhere? Well, look at sit down, man. Scratchy B them a whole heap of bridging them, but don't lie. It's when the man bust, them bust.